Did you know you can upgrade your kitchen without the full remodel? At Lancaster Painting, we reface cabinets by keeping the existing cabinet frames, replacing the doors, drawers, and upgrading the hardware with soft close slides and hinges, and finishing everything with a smooth quality coating. Here's how our team brings new life for your kitchen. We begin with a walkthrough with our crew and job leader. We go over layout, details, and make sure everything is clearly planned before we begin. Next, we protect your home. Counters, appliances, and floors are carefully covered. Then we remove all existing doors, drawers, and hardware. This is where the old kitchen ends and your upgraded, fully functional cabinet system with new doors, drawers, and soft close hardware begins. Once all the doors and drawers are removed, we clean and prep the cabinet frames to remove grease and buildup, creating a clean surface for painting. From there, we detail mask cabinet interiors that are not being painted. Then we carefully unpack all new doors and drawers. Each piece is checked, labeled, and matched to your kitchen layout for precise installation. After that, we move the new doors and drawers into our mobile spray trailer, where a controlled environment helps ensure a consistent finish. For this project, the homeowner chose shaker-style cabinets. You can choose from 3 different styles to find the one that best fits your kitchen. Then we fill holes and imperfections, creating a smooth, uniform surface ready for your upgrade. Next, we set up a containment zone along with an air exchanger to control dust and keep clean air moving through your home. This allows you to still be in the comfort of your own space while we complete your cabinet upgrade. From there, we sand and remove dust to prepare for proper primer adhesion. Now it's time to prime. We use a European 2-part system to seal the surface. This and additional sanding creates the proper foundation for a smooth finish. Then we drill precise holes for your new hardware, ensuring everything lines up perfectly. Once everything is primed and the primer has cured, we're ready to paint. We apply the first coat using the second part of the European system. This binds strongly with the primer and creates a stronger, longer-lasting finish. After proper dry time, we apply a second coat of paint to build your factory-quality look. Once the cabinets are dry to the touch, we remove portions of the masking to get them ready for new hardware installation. Next, we install new soft close slides and drawers with precision and care. This upgrade eliminates slamming and gives your cabinets a quieter, smoother, and more refined feel. From there, we install the new drawer fronts, hardware, and soft close hinges, carefully aligning everything for a precise fit that completes the refreshed look of your cabinets. Each door and drawer is carefully adjusted to ensure a clean, consistent finish throughout the entire kitchen. Just look at that. Soft closed doors and seamless cabinet lines coming together perfectly. Afterwards, we remove the rest of the masking and cleanup, leaving your kitchen clean and spotless. From there, the cabinets continue to fully cure over the next 24 hours to reach maximum hardness and durability. At last, we walk the project with you to review every detail and make sure you're completely satisfied. This is more than a paint job. It's a full cabinet upgrade. New shaker-style doors and custom hardware of your choice. Modern soft close hinges and doors. Drawers with soft close slides so everything opens and closes smoothly and quietly every time. The result? A refined modern finish that transforms the entire kitchen. At Lancaster Painting, we help you upgrade your cabinets with care, clear communication, and a process you can feel confident in from start to finish. If you're thinking about updating your kitchen, we're here to help you do it the right way.